right, room tour. So that's the bathroom. Well, that's the toilet. Then I have this beautiful mirror. Then they have these huge storage rooms. This one, super big drawers. All right, then they have this where you can hang up some of your clothing items. Super big drawers, super long, super thick. All right, this is the coffee. If you know me, you know I love coffee, so I'll definitely be here. Then that's our safe. Child, I want to say that's a can opener, but we know it's not. Oh, make hot water, heat up the water. Here goes our mini bar. All right, mini bar. Okay. Then here goes our robes. You know I'm putting that shit on. So definitely putting my robe on. Ironing board and an iron. Love the hangers, okay? All right. So then we turn. Here is our shower. Okay, look at the shower. Super clean. Okay. And this is our sink. Protect the environment, baby. They have a blow dryer, towels. Oh, they have a scale, baby. We are not getting on the scale. And then they have the tub, which I love because I'm a tub girly. If you know, you know. All right. So then they have this, which is super cute. I love the decor. My bedroom set is the same color as this, so super cute. More drawers. All right. TV. All right. The bed. This is where the magic happens. So this is the bed. All right. I love those mirrors. Oh, I'm a mirror girly, like through and through. I'm a mirror girly. All right, they got a phone. They have this that's empty. These are the charging things for you guys. There's a thermostat, decor, couch. That's my shit. Then this is so cute because I got the platinum. So this is the gift that they got me. I'll of course open that up later. This is about breakfast. Then the main character is always gonna be for me the balcony, because I sleep with my my balcony open. I love hearing the waves. All right. So this is my room. This is my view. That's the view.